very brief introduction about myself. So, mostly I'm involved in this type of research. So, basically, all the brands related with imaging applications. How our 3D surroundings is captured by using camera or using image making or image forming devices to develop some real life problem solving approach or some real life applications. My concentration is on microscopy, image restoration and reconstruction. This is basically for biological species, for example, the cellular mechanism or internal organ mechanism of human body or other species, biological species. And the other concentration is visual navigational aid for the blind people or visually partially sighted people, how they cross the dangerous locations, for example, the zebra crossing. And the other thing is similar to human vision, we use binocular vision. That is, we have two eyes. By using multiple camera, more than one, at least two, how we can develop robotic vehicle, that is driverless car. And for this, the distance measurement is a very important problem. And for distance measurement, I use stereo disparity estimation, which is a clue for three-dimensional depth measurement. And other one is mostly when we form or we capture images, there are a lot of problems or noises inherited into our image. These are the basically for out of focus or special dislocations or other form of say electronic device as because of mechanical system or electronic system, and these, for example, vibration or other temperature effect or other interference. So image denoising, that is remove noise, and or to improve its quality or how to enhance its quality. And I also worked on some vision-based medical diagnosis system. So these are my some selected publications. The most one is microscopy image, and this is microscopy Society of America, microscopy and microbiology journal, and optics express. This is Optical Society of America, and this is IEEE transactions on IT's intelligent transportation systems. And the other one is Measurement Science and Technology, British Journal, Institute of Physics. And other one is the ECBR. And the last one is also Optical Society of America. So here are some sample publications. And I have two patents for my inventions. The first one, this is a joint patent with my host, and this is just developing a physical model to remove or to restore the image to its original system, or original condition. And the other one is blind navigation systems, and while I work in Japan, and I received this year the Best Presenter Award in the International Conference. sponsored by USA, SPIE, and IEEE. Another one, I also received the Best Presenter Award at the International Conference of Computer Vision and Graphics at Poland. So now I am explaining the my topics title. That is, the one keyword is computer vision. And real-life problem solving, any types of problems, I will show you some samples of real-time problem, or real-life problem. And I already mentioned that biological vision or binocular vision, we have two eyes. That is, our eye captures the image, and our brain processes that image. Mostly two perceptions. The first one is the good visualization or developing good sense, and the other one is automation or recognition. And this is the replica of machine-based system. That is, the machine-based system, we called it computer-based system. And the machine-based vision system is known as computer vision. So here, instead of our eyes, biological eyes, we use camera, either still camera or video camera, that's the image, and the image is processed, pre-process, that is, remove the noise or enhance its quality, and then some distinguishing features, or which is recognizing character, to identify an object or to recognize an object. And finally, understand the image. What is the object? What is inside? What is the objects inside our captured substance? So there is some real life problem. For example, this is some figures which contains human. If we ask the machine, is there any human? If we see, we human beings see, yes, there is a human. But how machine can detect there is a human exist in our captured image? So these questions can be handled by using our computer vision-based system. For example, the lower two, there is no human, but other species also there. So at first, we have to use human, how we can call it human. So human features or characteristics, we have to recognize or we have to identify. So this is biological, and because I am working with microscopy imagery, is the microscopy image of mice or mouse.